Unveiling shocking courtroom disruptions. Most disturbing courtroom moments ever exposes chaos caused by defendants, hurling fluids and startling outbursts. Dive into the strange world where justice collides with turmoil. Brace for a shocking revelation as one defendant takes disruptions to the extreme, leaving the courtroom astonished. An unexpected twist challenges all assumptions. Alan Miller McCarty's threats. Alan Miller McCarty engaged in alarming behavior when he placed threatening calls to the county sheriff's office, revealing his possession of a gun and explicit plans to harm Circuit Judge Stacia Warren. Consequently, McCarty faced legal repercussions as he was arrested and charged with making death threats against a public servant. This unsettling incident unfolded against the backdrop of McCarty's criminal history, marked by prior felonies. His frustrations peaked due to a contentious custody decision, underscoring the volatile combination of personal grievances and a history of criminal activities that led to his disturbing actions. Adam Satterley's racial slur. In a drug-related bond hearing, Adam Satterley's actions took a reprehensible turn as he directed a racial slur at Judge Olu Stevens, prompting the immediate revocation of his bond. Judge Stevens, visibly displeased, swiftly sentenced Satterley to 60 days in jail for contempt of court. However, a surprising twist unfolded when Satterley, realizing the gravity of his actions, issued a sincere apology. This unexpected display of remorse left an indelible impression on the legal proceedings. Recognizing Satterley's genuine contrition, Judge Stevens made a judicious decision to mitigate the sentence, reducing it to just 1 day. This incident serves as a poignant reminder of the nuanced dynamics within the legal system, where sincere remorse can influence outcomes and provide individuals with an opportunity for redemption, even in the face of severe initial transgressions. Melissa Hardwick's contempt of court. Melissa Hardwick's courtroom drama unfolds during a hearing on a domestic violence order initiated by her ex-husband. The situation intensifies as she disrupts her ex-husband's testimony, prompting a stern warning from the judge. Subsequently, she faces charges of contempt of court, resulting in an initial 10-day sentence. However, matters escalate dramatically when, undeterred, Hardwick charges at the judge. This audacious act leads to a substantial increase in her sentence to 120 days. The incident underscores the challenges judges face in maintaining order and decorum within the courtroom, especially when individuals defy the established norms of conduct.
You suck my You guys can suck my okay? I'm being dead ass real.
$125,000.
Christopher Colin's profanity in court. In a dramatic pre-trial release hearing in South Florida, Christopher Colin injected chaos into the courtroom by unleashing a barrage of profanities and openly challenging the authority of Judge John J. Hurley. Reacting decisively, Judge Hurley responded by initially setting Colin's bond at a substantial $250,000, seeking to curb the unruly behavior and uphold the decorum of the legal proceedings. Surprisingly, the judge later took a more nuanced approach. Upon further reflection and in a display of judicial flexibility, he revoked the initially imposed bond, opting instead for a punitive 364-day jail sentence for contempt of court. This decision underscored the gravity of Colin's disruptive actions and aimed to maintain the integrity of the legal process. Ricky Hand's turbulent sentencing. Ricky Hand, confronted with various charges including attempted robbery, admits guilt and receives a 40-year prison sentence. Expressing discontent, Hand takes a shocking turn as he hurls bottles filled with feces and urine at his defense attorney, law enforcement deputies, and the presiding judge. This tumultuous episode leads to further legal consequences for Hand, who now faces additional charges of harassment, obstruction of justice, and retaliation. The unsettling incident not only disrupts the courtroom, but also intensifies the severity of Hand's legal predicament, underscoring the consequences of his unruly actions during the sentencing proceedings. Explore shocking courtroom moments in Most Disturbing Courtroom Moments Ever. Defendants cause chaos with outbursts and fluid throwing, disrupting justice. Enter the strange world where chaos meets justice. Brace for a surprising revelation as one defendant takes disruptions to the extreme, leaving the courtroom astonished. An unexpected twist challenges all assumptions. For more legal insights, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more eye-opening stories from the intriguing world of courtrooms.